Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got cupboards open. That's unsavory. This is iMee chicken red curry. This hails from Thailand and came by way of the nice folks over at Golden Bay Supply in beautiful San Francisco, California. I've been there and I like it. San Francisco's rad. So, you get the cup, you get the liquid, fill it up to the line. Alright. What's up with that? Uh-oh. The Ramen Raider has made an error. Luckily, the water here is very hot. There you go. Jeepers, I don't know the last time that happened. I'm even going to throw in the microwave for a few seconds just to be safe. Yeah, whoops. Generally steep it for 30 seconds kind of affair, so, or steep it for 3 minutes kind of affair, rather. So I'll give it 30 seconds to heat up that water a little bit more, and then let it have its 30, and concurrently have its 3 minutes. So that should work. Anyways, Momo Fukuando speaks. This is the book of quotes that I've been doing passages out of. These are quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Today's quote is... number 95. There is a clear distinction between quality products and saleable products. Very true. Very true. Woo! Hot. Just put the lid back on. Let it chill out for a couple minutes. So I slept in today. That's like my least favorite thing to do. I know most people around that I know are always really stoked to sleep in. I personally am a strong advocate against sleep. I think sleeping is it's like killing time. The whole concept of killing time drives me insane. It's like, why would you want to do that? You only got so much of it. You have to use it, and you have to use it, and use it, and use it. So I don't like giving away my time to things like playing video games all day, or watching TV all day. I can't. It drives me nuts. I gotta be productive, I gotta be creative, I gotta be doing things. That's why I'm always like walking around. That's why I'm always doing videos and editing videos and blah blah blah. But yeah, it's like, yeah, I woke up at 6:30. My alarm went off at 3:45. I got in bed at midnight, I think. Yeah, that was kind of like a guaranteed fail right there. But I don't know. So I'll just have to do a lot of apartment laps today. That's how it's done. Hello, sir. How you doing? You're hatching? You're couching? You're itching? Oh. Can I have your bowl? Are you done? Here, I'll get you your enjoyable twisty snack. Oh boy, it's time for noodles. Here you go. You're welcome, my boy. Alright. So, it is done. Wednesday generally is like the good day because Wednesday she doesn't have school, and his school is over at noon. So that's a plus. Alright, so we got a powder and a paste. Let's give this a try. Quite a bit of powder. There we go. Let's stir that in first thing. Yeah, first thing in the morning, it had I guess apparently they're gonna have a new what do you call it? Music teacher. Which is cool. This guy seems pretty hip. Oh. It's funny, they've got like all these classes and they have like music and PE are like at almost 3 p.m. It's like, oh no. That's way too late in the day to even bother trying to get any productivity out of my children. But we did music the week before last, and they seem to enjoy that, so we'll do that. PE, though, God, they just run around all day anyways, and they're not going to listen to anybody talking about nutritious meals. They might listen, but they're not going to, no. I understand. It's got to suck, because I'm sure that's just the case all around. It's like, whose kids are like going, yeah, I only want to eat healthy snacks. Maybe yours are, maybe, I don't know, but let's give this a try. Any disjointed hydration is definitely my fault, so. Slight crumble, not bad. Broth has a lovely look to it for a cup. That's a nice red curry. I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting a lot out of this one, and I'm definitely liking it. Alright, so let's grab Rotato, bring him over here. Hey Rotato, how you doing? What are we gonna throw in here? Well, it's red curry, chicken. I don't have any cooked chicken, but failing to have the chicken, however, I do have turkey. Still got some turkey left. Let's prettify this turkey, taking some of this broth and it's a little better, giving it some color. There's a turkey. I've got a little bit. I'll throw some mung bean sprout in those. Some sprout. A bit of spring onion. I'm gonna save. I don't need to really save the basil, do I? I could, use some of the basil in this one. This basil is definitely on its last legs though, which sucks, but I'm gonna get some more tonight, I think. What else was I going with here? I thought I had something else. Probably not really an egg. Where'd it go? Yeah, we'll use a little bit of sesame seed. There's that nice milky look to this curry. I love that. Nice color contrast. Well, let's. Oh, hey, Rotato, banana hanger, banana hammock, and Rotato are not being very kind. I've got a time-lapse movie going on outside right now. What's going on here? There you go. That's better. All right. All right, that was some red curry from iMee of Thailand, sent in by Golden Base Supply. Thank you very much, man. Go check them out, goldenbasesupply.com. It's been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.